Is Bluehost really worth it in 2025? In this Bluehost review, I'll cover everything you need to know before signing up, from pricing and plans to features, security, customer service, site speed, and even how their new AI website builder works. By the end of this video, you'll know if Bluehost is the right host for your website. I provide a link in the description below to Bluehost, where you'll get an exclusive Bluehost discount, getting up to 80% off Bluehost hosting, plus a free domain name. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Bluehost hosting discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit Bluehost. Let's dive in. Bluehost has been around since 2003 and is one of the most popular web hosting companies in the world. It's officially recommended by WordPress.org, which means it's optimized for WordPress websites right out of the box. Whether you're starting a blog, a business website, or an online store, Bluehost is often one of the first names that comes up. Now let's talk about plans, pricing, and terms. Bluehost offers 3 popular plans: Starter, Business, and E-commerce Essentials. Starter plan, priced as low as $199 a month. It comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes NVMe storage, and is ideal for up to 40,000 visits per month. Business plan starts at $399 per month. You get 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, and support for around 200,000 visits per month. Plus added benefits like phone support, malware detection and removal, domain privacy free for the first year, and daily website backups free for the first year. E-commerce Essentials plan costs as low as $699 per month. It includes 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, and can handle 400,000 visits per month. It's built for online stores with features like secure payment processing, WooCommerce auto install, subscriptions and memberships, affiliate program tools, custom email templates, and even social login for your customers. When it comes to billing terms, Bluehost gives you 3 choices: 36 months, 12 months, or monthly. The 36-month plan is the cheapest overall, while the monthly option costs the most. The free domain is only included with the 12-month and 36-month terms, not the monthly plan. In another nice feature, you can select your data center when signing up, so you can host your website closer to your target audience for better performance. One thing Bluehost does really well is its features and control panel. Instead of using the standard cPanel only, they've created a beginner-friendly dashboard that makes managing your site much easier. You'll also get free SSL certificates for security, a free domain for the first year, one-click WordPress installation that's actually automatic during setup, email accounts, site backups, and integrations with marketing tools. And new this year, Bluehost has an AI website builder. It can generate a starter design for your site by asking you a few questions, a nice option if you don't want to start with a blank canvas. When it comes to security, Bluehost includes essentials like free SSL certificates, 2-factor authentication, malware scanning, web application firewall, DDoS protection, and domain privacy on some plans. While you may want to add extra plugins for advanced protection, the built-in security features are more than enough for most small businesses and personal websites. Now for performance, which is super important. I tested a fully functioning website. With basic optimization, Bluehost performed on average 1.3 seconds load time, which is solid, and with additional caching and site speed optimizations, you can easily improve speeds from there. For the average WordPress site, that's more than enough to give your visitors a smooth browsing experience. Customer service is another strong point. Bluehost offers 24/7 support through live chat and phone. From my experience, they respond quickly and have decent knowledge, especially for WordPress-related questions. They also have a huge knowledge base with tutorials if you prefer self-help. Here's some quick pros and cons. Pros: affordable plans with a free domain and SSL, automatic WordPress installation, beginner-friendly dashboard, AI website builder for quick setups, good site performance with room to improve. Cons: renewal prices are higher after the first term. However, I want to note that this is common with almost all hosting providers out there. Advanced users may find some features limited compared to premium hosts. So is Bluehost worth it? If you're looking for a beginner-friendly, reliable, and WordPress-recommended host with good performance and solid customer support, then yes, Bluehost is definitely a great choice. It's especially strong for blogs, business websites, and online stores. If you're ready to get started, I'll leave a link in the description so you can take advantage of getting a Bluehost discount. Thanks for watching my Bluehost review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more website tips and reviews, and let me know in the comments what hosting company you're considering. I'll see you in the next video.